If you've been on YouTube, TikTok, or pretty much anywhere on social media lately, you've probably seen those viral videos where people use anime clips combined with AI voiceovers to share motivational life lessons. These videos are everywhere, and it's easy to see why these videos are going viral because people love anime and combining it with motivational life lessons voiceover is a perfect combination that people just can't get enough of. But as amazing as those videos are, there's a hidden risk that most creators aren't talking about. When you're using random anime clips, you could end up facing copyright claims. Or worse, you might even lose your account and all that hard work of building up a channel or profile gone in an instant. So how do you avoid those copyright strikes but still tap into this viral trend? That's what I'm here to show you today. I've found a way to create anime motivational life lessons videos using AI, and the best part, it's completely free. Not only will this method keep your account safe, but it also opens up the door for monetization. You can post these videos on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and start making some serious money. And before we dive into the tutorial, let me show you a sneak peek of what we're going to create today.
Every day is a new opportunity, a chance to take a step closer to your dreams, no matter how small it seems. Life is not about perfection, it's about progress.
All right, let's dive right in. The first step in creating our anime motivational video is crafting an engaging script, and we're going to make that super easy by using ChatGPT. Trust me, this tool is a game changer when it comes to writing scripts. Head over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Write me a 60-second engaging motivational life lesson script and click enter. It's quick, it's straightforward, and in just a few moments, ChatGPT will work its magic and give us a powerful script to work with. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated an amazing script for us, but if the script doesn't quite match what you're going for, or maybe you want to switch it up a bit, all you have to do is ask ChatGPT to try again, and it'll generate a fresh new script for you in seconds. Now that we've got our script, it's time for the next step, which is creating our voiceover. And for this, we're going to use a fantastic tool called 11 Labs, which is perfect for generating high-quality AI voiceovers in just a few clicks. Open up your browser and type in 11labs.io. Once you're on their homepage, click on Get Started and create an account. The sign-up process is super quick and easy, and once you're in, you're all set to start creating. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy that script we generated earlier using ChatGPT. Then head back to 11 Labs and paste the script in the speech synthesis box. Click on the Voices tab and you'll see a wide range of AI-generated voices to choose from. Whether you're looking for something bold and inspiring, calm and soothing, or even a more dramatic tone, there's a voice for every vibe. Take your time and explore the different options. Once you find the perfect voice that matches the tone of your motivational message, select it and hit generate. Give it a few seconds and let 11 Labs do its thing. As you can see, our script has been generated. You can go ahead and download it to your device. Now that we have gotten our voiceover, the next step is generating anime images for our video, and we're going to use Leonardo.ai, a powerful tool that makes it easy to create high-quality visuals with just a few clicks. Open your browser and search for Leonardo.ai. Once the website loads, click on the Get Started and create an account if you haven't already. Click on Image Creation. Once you're in the Image Creation dashboard, you'll see a range of presets. Click on the Anime preset. Click on the Settings option and change the image dimension to TikTok, which is ideal for vertical videos. Now go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you prompts to generate images. And ChatGPT will generate a set of creative prompts for you. Then simply copy the first one. Return to Leonardo.ai and paste the prompt into the text field designed for generating images. Then click Generate and wait for Leonardo.ai to generate our images. As you can see, our images has been generated and they look amazing. Browse through the images it generated and select the one that fits your vision for the video. Once you've made your choice, click Download to save it to your computer. Repeat this same process for the remaining prompts to generating the rest of the images. If you've made it this far into the video, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and bring more valuable content your way. Now let's dive back into the process. Our next step is getting background music. Background music can elevate your video, making it more engaging and enjoyable for your audience. For this, we'll be using Pixabay, a fantastic resource for finding free, non-copyrighted music. Open your browser and search for pixabay.com. Once you're on the website, scroll sideways and click on Music. Then you'll be shown a wide variety of music albums. Whether you're looking for something upbeat or cinematic, you'll find a range of genres and moods to choose from. Take your time exploring the different track, and you can preview each song to see how it fits with the tone and style of your video. Once you've found the perfect background music that complements your visuals, then go ahead and download the music file to your device. Now that we've got our voiceover, images, and background music, the final step is to edit everything together. And we'll be using CapCut, one of the most user-friendly editing tools out there. Open CapCut, click on New Project, and import all the images we generated earlier using Leonardo.ai. Now click on Aspect Ratio and change it to TikTok, and stretch all the images so they perfectly fit the screen. This step ensures your video looks clean and professional on a vertical platform. Next, click on Audio and import the voiceover we created earlier using 11 Labs. Then arrange the clips so that the images align seamlessly with the voiceover. With the voiceover in place, it's time to add our background music. Click on Audio and import the music track we downloaded from Pixabay. Then lower the volume so it doesn't overshadow the voiceover. Now let's add some flair. Click on Overlay and select an overlay that matches the tone of your video. Then click on Apply to all clips to maintain consistency throughout. To make our video even more unique, we're going to add animations to each clip. Click on Animations and choose any one of your choice and add it to all the clips. Now let's take it up a notch by adding zoom effects. These are great for keeping your audience engaged because they add subtle movement, making the video more dynamic. Click on your first clip, then add a keyframe at the very beginning, then move to the end of the clip and stretch it slightly to add another keyframe. This will create a smooth zoom effect throughout the clip. Go ahead and repeat this process for all the clips to maintain that engaging flow from start to finish. Now it's time to add captions to our video. Click on Text, then click on Auto Captions and choose a template that fits the vibe of your video. Then click on Generate and watch as CapCut creates captions for your entire video. As you can see, our captions has been created and everything looks perfect. It's time to export the video. Click on Export and increase the video resolution to 4K for the highest possible quality and save the video to your device. And that's it. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Every day is a new opportunity. A chance to take a step closer to your dreams, no matter how small it seems. Life is not about perfection. It's about progress. You'll face challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But remember, growth happens in the struggle. Every failure is a lesson, every challenge a stepping stone. The key is to keep moving forward. Success isn't about how fast you get there, but about staying on the path. It's okay to fall, just don't stay down. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination, so embrace it, learn from it, and never stop growing. Your best is yet to come. Keep going. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also let me know what you think about the video in the comment section.